When we look into the history of West Africa, we can't ignore the Griots, the keeper of memories, the living libraries. But who are they and why were they so important? Wait, I know you're already wondering who we call the Griots. They are members of the class of traveling poets, musicians and storytellers who maintain a tradition of oral history in many parts of West Africa. The Griots, also known as Jelai among the Madinka and Aulebe in Fulani, Maroka in Hausa, Imbem and Abia performer among the Igbos and Akigbe in Yoruba culture. They have been the heartbeat of West African cultures for centuries. These were more than just storytellers. They were historians, musicians, poets and advisors, entrusted with preserving the histories of families, clans and entire kingdoms. Dating back as far as the 13th century during the Mali Empire, Griots like Jeli Mamadou Koyate played a crucial role in passing down the stories of great leaders such as Sundiata Keita, the Lion King of Mali. Imagine a time when there were no written records. Everything we know about the rise of empires, epic battles, and the legacy of rulers like Mansa Musa, the richest man in history, comes from the words of the Griots. They will travel from village to village recounting these tales in powerful performances filled with the music from the kora, a traditional West African string instrument, and djembe drums. Their voice carries the rhythm of history, and their voices kept the past alive. The Griots were also trusted advisors to kings and nobles, like the Griot Bala Faseke, who was the personal counselor of Sundiata Keita. They were more of entertainers. They also had political powers and could sway decisions with their wisdom and knowledge of lineage and tradition. But the role of Griots goes beyond recounting glories. They also kept communities connected through stories of moral lessons and ancestral wisdom. In many West African societies, Griots still exist today, passing on the torch of history orally, as it has been done for hundreds of years. To this day, Griots remain an indication to the power of oral tradition in keeping African history alive. They are the voices of the past, echoing into the future, ensuring the stories of our ancestors are never forgotten. Want to know more about African rich heritage? Like, follow and share to stay connected with the voices of our history.